Mo asked, I haven't submitted provisional tax returns for a small business for the past 3 years. Where do I start? How much trouble am I in? And SARS owes 0, but I haven't submitted returns. So firstly, provisional tax returns August and February, quite important. If you did have a profit, to submit to SARS and to declare to SARS. You want to get as close as possible with your provisional tax to your actual figures, because if you underestimate, SARS can levy interest and penalties. They call it quite interest that they can levy on your account. But once that has been done, your next step now is to prepare financial statements for all the relevant years applicable where you haven't submitted your income tax returns yet for your business. And once that has been done, you need to submit the income tax returns, and then you will actually know how much money you actually and really owing to SARS. If you need any assistance, all the details will be in the comment section. Looking forward to assisting you.